I'm back again to this river with a different situation. It's like the water's now like very clean, and also it's not like last week we are coming. Water is like really brown, but now it's already changed. So for today, I'm gonna take you to see how beautiful this river, and hope you enjoyed watching. And before that, I would like to wash my face with this really clean water and get some beautiful nice landscape. All my thing today, I'm gonna take it. It's not to use long exposure to cut this river, but I would like to capture the natural view. Even the cloud is now like really dark, but we have only less sun coming through the water. So for today, I'm gonna take 2 positions to get the beautiful landscape for this river. That one like you see. But now we will focusing on this river, Tibutole. So we'll capture like many kind of picture and use the subject on this natural beauty. It's like a rock. We have many rock here because this kind of river, they have like a natural fall. Also they have like the slide made by the natural ones. So like the people see, it's like the all lavas coming through this river. So I'm gonna take you the special one. This one, and that's one. That's all I will take it. But today I'm gonna prepare my Canon first. This one, and then I will change it to use my Nikon D3000 to capture the more natural view. So I changed it because my Canon, I think they don't have like a 36 f stop. So I must change it, use my old Nikon D3000. So enjoy it, and waiting for the best part, I will take it to you. Now it's time to move to the next location. Later you get a big surprise up there. The surprise, I mean, it's not like something it's really good, but it's like really bad. So this is my position now. It's same place, we call it Tibutole, but the first time I would like to make it some good coffee and then drink that with the enjoy with the nature. But you get surprised, I think, with the many rabbits, the plastic everywhere. Yeah, this is the kind of the nature, you know. The nature is never throw the rabbits, but the humanity throw it. On this position, I change it with my Nikon, but yeah, like you know, I gotta take it the rabbits also. But it's okay, you know, because this time is like a raining season, so the water bring the rabbits from I don't know where. But this one, the picture for you. Before we get started, so